90% of all millionaires are from real estate. If you want to earn money from real estate, or if you are thinking whether it's possible to start real estate with zero investment, then the answer is yes. And in this video, we will learn how you can earn 5 to 10 lakhs per month via real estate. So let's begin. Overall, in the real estate business, there are two options: to be a builder or to be a dealer. A builder is someone who works on constructing projects and would like to sell those to clients. Whereas a dealer is someone who helps the builder to sell the property to the client. To become a builder, you would need some capital or investment, but whereas for a dealer, you wouldn't need as much money, and also you can start your business with almost zero investment. So today we are going to discuss how you can work as a dealer and earn money. To become a dealer, you would need the following skills: experience, communication skills, networking skills, right attitude to grow big. You would need different action plans based on whether you have the above skills or not. So let's discuss the action plan for zero experience and zero investment money. Go for a tour of your locality and find a dealer and request the person to give you an internship. As you are a complete beginner, don't expect any salary for a month or two until you learn. When you join their business along with the dealer, obviously there would be more people working for him. Now use this opportunity and learn from their experience. When you start working at the dealer, the person might ask you to contact his leads and may ask you to go for a site visit. Now, when you actually visit a site with the client, you have a great opportunity to build networking. Don't miss that. Now, after working for some time, you would be getting some salary and incentive for cracking any deal from the dealer. Along with this, start doing digital marketing. Suppose when you visit a site or a flat, ask the owner if you could take pictures or video of the property and share it on social media. For definite, you will get some leads through social media. Take your leads to the dealer and ask him for more commission. Sometimes if the dealer is kind-hearted, he would give 50% or more commission when the deal is cracked with your own leads. Do this for a while. Now when you have at least 1 to 2 leads per day, that is when you start your own business. Now you have enough experience and little capital to start your own business. Now let's see the action plan for this. The first thing you should do is to get your contact details printed on visiting cards. Second, let's divide this in two scenarios: to sell plots and to sell already constructed sites. For plots, list down the plots for sale and contact the owner for more details and ask them that you would like to sell the plot for them. From your network, notify the builders or clients that there is a land or plot for sale. And for sure, builders would be more interested as they always want a plot. And at the same time, the builder would most likely close the transaction in 1 to 2 months. Now, when a deal is cracked, you would get 2% commission, 1% each from both owner and the builder. If suppose you sold a 4 crore plot, then you would be getting 4 lakh each from both the owner and the builder in 1 to 2 months. Now you earned 8 lakh alone from this deal. If you have right attitude, then you would definitely close 2 or more such deals in a month. Now let's move on to already constructed projects. Here, make a list of all the builders who started construction and needs help in selling them. Tell them you will sell them the X number of flats. Also at the same time, ask if there are any more projects of the builder and make a note of it. Also, give them your visiting card for future purposes. Using your networking skills and digital marketing, sell the flat. Now, per each flat, you will get commission of around 4% in total, 2% each from builder and client. Now, calculate the amount you would be earning when you sell 100 such flats. You would be earning in millions if you have right mindset and work hard. So this is how you start your career in real estate. If you have anything else that would actually help others, please comment below. And if you think this video helped you, please do like, share, and also subscribe to our channel, which will create more useful and helpful content on YouTube. Thank you.